kita ambil esok baru tanda.
Okey, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, okay, for this morning, we continue for the previous workshop on Thursday, but this is quite different. This is focused more on leadership and the previous quality and leadership. At the corner here says they attend the leadership workshop organized by the ELTC last month, July, okay, July 2025. So this morning we have 4 slots, okay, and at the first I would like to give you the overviews of the workshop. Okay, so the workshop on teachers' quality and the leadership framework. Okay, the workshop, what is the teacher quality and the leadership framework? Apa itu quality seorang guru, and then as a big panel, what is the important goals that we have to have for each of us to manage the teachers, to manage the classrooms at our schools, because we are the leaders at our school. Okay, so we are the person who in charge what we say that perjalanan kita punya English panels. Okay. Okay. So the first one is enhances the teacher's competency and readiness to teach and learn English. This is one of the most important, or one of the important focus PPD, not only for the options teacher but also for the non-options. If I'm not mistaken, last 2 months I handled the English, the workshop for the non-options. Saya ramai juga cikgu yang bukan option, betul ya, Bu? Okay. Okay, so that's what part of our goals, to help them, okay, to help them to upgrade or to improve their skills in four skills, including the language art. Okay, language art is very important. Okay, as what we learned on Thursday, we learned more about the language art. Okay, the drama, theater, kita boleh letakkan dalam language art. Okay, that's very important. And the second thing is that leadership is not about the titles or position. It's about impact, the influence, and inspirations. Okay. As a head panel, how can you influence the teachers at your school? Okay, so you have to manage the meeting. How many times you go for the meeting? 4 or 3? 3 or 4 times for the whole year, right? 4. Okay. And then during the meeting, you must have to focus on how the teachers can upgrade or improve their skills in English and how to get the latest tools, okay, from PPT. I think nowadays it's more easier. Okay, we can learn from internet. It's more easier. Okay, not before 2 decades ago. It's quite difficult. Okay, so it's easy to us to access the connections to the internet. Okay, the third thing is teaching is more than delivering lesson. It's shaping the future. Nowadays we face lots of issues in our school. Okay, so sometimes we feel quite stressed. Okay, quite stressed, even though we cannot touch our pupils. Okay, and then I heard that maybe some of us say, "Alah, ikut cikgu lah, ikut yang lain lah." Okay, janji kita boleh buat kerja kita, but we as a teacher, we have our feelings, deep feelings to give the best educations for our pupils. Okay. Okay. The fourth is leadership strengthens teachers' quality and learning culture. Okay. At SK, according to my experience at SK World Academy, my pupils is I'm not sure. I don't want to compare with others, okay? Because my school is quite close to the border of Thailand. They are not too exposed to the new how to say, not like other school macam sekolah besar-besar Sultan Ibrahim 1 ke sekolah 1 kan. Jadi budak-budak kita ni they depend on the teachers, okay? They depends on the teachers. So if we are not, if we don't have an idea, if you don't have the patience, okay, to bring them out of the classroom, okay. So at SK World Day, I'm trying to give them something new, okay. Something new. I mean that. They're exposed to the internet, so they can write a short article, blog. Okay, kita boleh perkenalkan murid-murid kita buat writing sikit dalam blog, semua kan, sebab each of them have their own Delima account. Betul tak? Okay, so in the Delima accounts they have lots of features. Okay, like YouTube, email. Tapi how many of them explore the features? Do you have any idea? Agak-agak maybe tahap 4, 5, 6. Berapa ramai mereka they know about the features in their Delima? Berapa cikgu? Do you have any idea?
How to write an email.
Email, okay. Email.
You ask them to go to the lab.
Okay.
Try to explore.
It's more easier, right? Okay, it's more easier than the previous a few decades ago. Okay, so for the workshop also it focused on teaching team leadership, and then we deliver the slots and the materials and the assessment. Okay, we continue for the second slide. The roles of the English panels. Okay, as instructional leader and coach for English teachers. Okay, observe lesson. Kita kena observe juga cikgu kan? Betul tak? Okay, saya rasa bila kita pergi kursus di sekolah satu tak? Okay, cikgu kena, you have to deal with your teachers, okay, and then pastikan masa tu cikgu boleh masuk, and then sebenarnya we are not teach them, we are, it's more to sharing, okay, the knowledge, the informations, the latest informations. Of course, as a KP, we get the latest information from PPD, from KPN, or from the ELTC. And then give the feedback after they deliver the lesson. Give the feedback. Okay, do not hesitate. Okay, jangan malu nak bagi feedback. You just say something like that. Okay, tapi with a polite way. Okay, cikgu boleh tahu lah kena cara ni. Okay, according to my studies in educational management, the most important things is how we deal with our co-workers, ataupun dia panggil bukan masuk kita kata pekerja bawahan, orang yang di bawah kita. Okay, so we are the person who influence the others. Okay, kalau macam kita KP, so yang bawah kita adalah guru-guru yang di bawah panitia bangsa. Okay, that's what we call the co-workers. Okay, and the support professional growth. Yang tu kita boleh upgrade sendiri lah. Okay, and the build trust and collaborations among teachers. Okay, yang ni, this is very important. Okay, the trust and the collaborations. Okay, at SK Kuala I handle the 5th HIP. Yang besar, yang kira besar, sebab di perasmian oleh JPN, and then we have collaborations with the private company. We have I also invited a few schools like SK Kampung, SK Bukit Perah, and SK Guang Situ, if not mistaken, right? Okay, SK Guang Situ. And then I heard that they prepared since a few months, okay? Okay? And then they keep message, okay, sir, macam mana ni. At least we start from the first step, okay? So for the next year, when I discussed with Madam Rosnani, we will try to get something, to manage something new, okay? So I want all of the schools here try to give something new, okay? Give something new, okay? Jangan hanya biarlah sekolah ni dulu, sekolah ni, okay? Kita nak ada, mungkin sekolah yang kecil pun boleh handle the event, okay? The big event, okay? Okay, the 4th is leads professional learning communication, PLC. This is already mentioned by Madam Rosnani last week, right? And then promotes innovations, reflections, and the shared accountability. Okay, the third slide is teacher quality and professional growth. The high quality teaching involves clarity, engagements, feedback, and the classroom management. Very important here is the classroom management. I think classroom management is very important. Budak kita kalau tak ada dia cikgu, COVID dah, betul tak? Okay. So this is how we can plan properly with the teachers, especially among the English teachers. Okay, kita boleh buat satu. Mungkin saya boleh tanya cikgu, do you have any idea how to attract your pupils' attention at your school? In English, ada something apa kita kata benda yang boleh menarik perhatian murid cikgu di sekolah cikgu. Apa yang cikgu buat? The games. Indoor games is once a week or during the recess? No. So did you control them, or they just go to the corner and then? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So how about sekolah yang besar-besar sini, macam SIS? Okay, sorry, SIS, Dato' Ani, because I want to learn something from you. Scott 2. Scott 2. Okay, cikgu. Do you have an idea? For the next year, 2026. Okay, we plan for the next year. Okay, what are you going to do? What are you going? What's your plan for the next year? Yes. English Day. Okay. So did you handle the assembly in English? Okay, that's good. Yes. Okay, I heard that last 2 weeks we have the Cikgu Media ada khusus PSS apa TV apa TV PSS. Okay, ada cikgu yang anyone here involved that? Ada eh? Okay, I think maybe that's one of the interesting things. Yeah. Normally, and then but we can change to English. Okay. Okay, right. The next one is managing and developing instructional material. Select and design materials that relevant, accurate, and level appropriate. Okay, design, select, and design materials. For example, for the remedials, year 4, we already have the module, right? So cikgu hanya ikut module, so it's not difficult to that. And then, so how about the report for the remedial? Did you finish the report? Not yet. So what is the last date? What is the last date? 10 November. Same with the HIP Max. HIP Max 30, right? The end of this month, and then the remedials is 10 November. Okay. So okay, fine. So make sure that you complete the report, because if not, you will get the message from the ELTC. Okay, to ensure inclusivity and the culture, fairness in contact, the collaborations through co-planning, peer reviews, and the shared digital folders. Okay. And then maintain systematic resource management for accessibility. Okay, I think this is the last slide. So what is the significance of teaching and learning success? The significance. Okay, so the head panel is the important roles in Asian school. Okay, without the head panels, without the leader doesn't mean the guru besar. Okay, bukan sahaja kita nampak guru besar or the principals. Okay, so we, the head panel, as the leaders of our English teacher, and then please help the non-options English. Tolong cikgu kena tolonglah guru-guru yang bukan option. Okay, kadang-kadang sometimes they quite shy to ask you, kalau tanya bilang mana tanya boleh, banyak dah. Okay, jadi try to encourage them to speak English. Okay, according to your experience lah, saya nak tanya cikgu. Mungkin cikgu tak masuk 100% in the classroom when the non-options teach in the classroom deliver the lessons. Agak-agak cikgu how many percent they deliver the lesson in English. Cikgu ada how many teachers non-options at your school? All except you. Okay, but she's a good actress now. Okay, cikgu, lagi cikgu, agak-agak berapa persen lah kita boleh cakap persen kan? The non-options deliver the lesson in English. SK Makassar? Ada SK Makassar? Okay, agak-agak cikgu lah. And how do you deal with them? Okay. Minor, but minor is considered the option, right? Okay, 50-50. Okay, 50-50. So how do you deal with that? Adakah cikgu kadang-kadang ada jumpa dengan cikgu, you ada head panel, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ada cikgu jumpa dengan cikgu. English Day, okay, that's a good idea. What's the activity for the English Day? Apa yang cikgu buat pada English Day? Okay. Okay. Any activities? Sing somewhere at the English corner or English corner? Okay. And canteen. Okay. During the recess, level 1 and level 2. That's also introduced by the ELTC, right? HIV. Okay. Ada cikgu lain nak kongsi sikit before we start the first slot? How do you manage at your schools, okay, to attract your pupils? Okay, kalau nak budak pakai my school, okay, dia ada benda yang menarik, dia ada something yang can attract the attention. Apa dia di sekolah cik? Ada SK Bukit Jarwo. do you have something can attract your people's attentions to learn English?
In our school, what we did was, like usual, we do have English activities during the assembly, and even on Wednesday, before we start the activity code, we did some games, and in the classroom, we focus on how we can attract them to learn with Didik Hibu, right?
Didik Hibu.
That's the important thing. And then, of course, we do have physical activities so that they can engage with the learning, not only listening to the teacher teaching in front.
Oh, good idea. Cikgu Tan, any idea? At SK Kangkung, I saw that SK Kangkung is one of the active ones.
For SK Kangkung, we are currently using the Google Classroom.
Google Classroom.
For not just English, but all the lessons.
All the lessons.
So the pupils will go to the, for phase 1, they will go to the lab, Makmal Computer. And then the phase 2 will go to Pusat Access. Another place for to access the internet.
So they can access the internet.
So for each day, before 7:45 to 10:15 or 9:45, one class will be in the lab. Okay, after recess, another class. So all the teachers must go there to teach them using Google Classroom. Then the teacher, of course, must prepare first before they teach.
So all the subjects?
All the subjects.
All the subjects.
Based on the timetable class.
Okay.
And then the students are quite interested.
Okay.
But the teachers is not very interested.
Okay. So SK Kangkung ni one of the best of the choral speaking in Pasir Mas. You win the third place, right? Third place, right? Okay, we can learn something from SK Kangkung.
Because they quite interested in internet, so we like the teachers ask them to look for the YouTubes all that for the training. When the choral speaking, the songs, all that we can learn. And then we also got smart TV.
Smart TV, okay, smart
we
TV.
got free smart TV.
How many of you teachers use smart TV at your school? Cikgu BI, berapa kali guna smart TV? Tak TV pun tak ada. SK Makassar, SK Kangkung.
Because we are like the school bought the TV, using the fund from like we the Lipat Minyak program.
Okay.
Then we got the fund because we sell the minyak terpakai. And then we got some money and then we use to buy the money. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Because when you look at this textbook, textbook year 5, susah cikgu dah year 5 ni, right? It's quite. I think the level is around B2 and C1. Now, how do you can introduce them about the sport, like the sport, the famous sportsmen like Michael Jordan? They just look at the picture. Okay, this is Michael Jordan. So when you have a smart TV, you can open the YouTube and you can show them. Oh, this is. So it's more. So their mind is more open to the world, right? Okay, it's not only based on the textbook. For me, it's very difficult. Okay, cikgu ada, you have your own way how to treat your pupils. But for me, without internet nowadays is very, very difficult. Okay, it's very challenging. Okay? So the third one is quality teaching and inclusive material ensure equitable learning for all. Okay? And then leadership is about action. Action tu penting cikgu. Kena buat action. Kena buat. You have to do something. Okay? Kena buat action. We have to start from the first step. Cikgu bagi tahu je. Cikgu nak buat apa? What your plan for the next 2026? You just mention to Madam Nani. Okay? And then we will discuss. Okay? For example, SK Cikgu ajar sekolah mana? Cikgu ini, apa nak buat? Apa dia? What else? What's your plan for 26? Event macam chorus speaking ke apa ke? Just mention to PPD. And then we will discuss. And then we'll try to do something. For sure, for the next 2026, we're going to handle the Malaysian sport law. Be prepared for that. Okay? Jadi saya nak, kalau boleh nak semua cikgu masuk. Not only the selected schools, all the schools. I give you about 2 or 3 months. Okay? So I will inform the early of session 2026. Kita nak buat on July, April tu saya dah akan inform ke cikgu. Okay, bukan 2 minggu, bukan seminggu. So you have time to prepare. Okay, and then no, it's not about the budget. Okay, at my school. Yeah, the problem is not so much. Okay. Sebab cikgu hanya guna ni je, bahan-bahan alam sekitar. Okay. But the most important thing, you have to inform your GB and explain to him, I want to do this for the next year. Okay. I want to do that. Okay, insyaAllah. And then do not hesitate to text me. Cikgu boleh mesej saya, insyaAllah saya boleh pergi tengok apa yang cikgu nak buat atau apa ke, insyaAllah. Yes, collaborate. It's okay. But you have to mention to Madam first. Okay? And then the last one is teacher, we lead, learn and grow for the success of every learner. That we have to remember that our people deserve to get the best education from us. Okay? From us. Tak kisahlah cikgu options or non-options. Okay? The most important thing is that our pupils, okay, get something from you. Okay? Because he or she come to school to get something, not come to play all the time. Okay, so I think that's all the overviews of my slot. So I will pass the mic to the first slot, teacher